Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Office for free in Windows. Currently I'm using Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. All you have to do is type on your keyboard Control, Win, Shift and Alt. After that, let's see, Control, Win, Shift and Alt. So this is the Microsoft. A page will pop up. So this is like a Microsoft 365. Welcome to Microsoft 365. Yes, for free, as you can see, one up to 2 megabytes of 5 gigabyte for free. So, but if you can enjoy this for free, why not? So you can use Microsoft Word here, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and even Outlook. But if you want to enjoy Outlook or enjoy some a or more service from Microsoft, you can sign in here. Sign in for free, create your account for free is possible in this Microsoft 365. So, please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the